Hi guys, so today is the second day of the early school holidays.
Yes!
We have a guest with us. This is Isla. She's going to help us make the best hot chocolate you can make at home, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so just a couple of items that you'll need. A glass Pyrex jug, some milk, so 200 ml of milk, a mug, a stick blender, and some drinking chocolate. We're using ratio 60% drinking chocolate. It's yummy, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to pour 200 ml of milk into the glass jug. Big scoop happening. Oh, nice. Beautiful. That's okay. Blend that. So you want to press the button. Oh, that's it. Alright, so you want to blitz that for around 30 seconds and ensure that you've got some cold milk. Helps to foam that up. So once that's done, you want to pop it into the microwave for 1.5 minutes and watch the magic happen. So once that's finished, you'll end up with a really foamy mix like this.
Oh yeah.
And then you can dust that with a bit of extra powder. Good girl. Nice.
Put nuts all of it.
Okay. That's it. Want to taste it?
Yeah.
Give it a mix. Yum. So you can purchase ratio hot chocolate as well as our Bates hot chocolate on the Veneziano website. I'll put a link in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
You weren't meant to move, Bubba.